Welcome to the Designer Furniture Company. In the showroom today, we have this spectacular propeller. This is definitely not one of the cheapy replicas you can buy. Weighs a ton, it looks fantastic. Really nice size. You can see me in the reflection, apologies. And the condition is very good. You've obviously got little bits of wear and tear, the odd little surface scratch, but that just adds to the incredible coolness of it. And like I said, it weighs a considerable amount, and you have got little hooks here if you wanted to hang it up. But as you can see, it stands like a bit of art. Shimmers off, mirrors off beautifully. So there we are. If you have any questions at all, please do get in touch if you'd like additional photos or videos. Again, we are here to help. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe.